In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of redeeming a Roblox gift card. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Redeeming a Roblox gift card allows you to access Robux or a premium membership, enhancing your gaming experience. It also provides a way to enjoy exclusive in-game items and perks. To redeem a Roblox gift card, start by opening the Roblox homepage on your laptop or PC. Once the page loads, navigate to the top left corner of the screen where you will find the hamburger menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on this icon to reveal a menu, and within this menu, look for the option labeled Official Store. Click on this link, and a warning will appear informing you that you are leaving the Roblox website. Don't worry, just click on the Continue button to proceed. This will redirect you to the Amazon page for Roblox, where you will be able to see the selection of digital gift cards. On this Amazon page, look for the section titled Digital Gift Cards. Once you click on it, you will be presented with a variety of gift cards that can be used for Roblox. Choose the card you want to purchase and complete the transaction on Amazon. After purchasing the gift card, you will receive a code that can be used to redeem your Roblox credit. To redeem the gift card, open another tab in your browser and go to the Roblox redemption page at www.roblox.com/redeem. This will take you to the page where you can enter the code you received from Amazon. After entering the code in the designated field, be sure to check the box beneath it to confirm that you are ready to redeem the card. Finally, click on the Redeem button to complete the process. Once you click the Redeem button, your Roblox account will be credited with the amount from the gift card, and you will be all set to use the balance for purchasing in-game items or memberships. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.